I'm going to show you how to make some crispy egg rolls. First, you want to take about 5 ounces of noodles and you want to soak it in hot water for about 5 minutes or until it's softened. Set your noodles to the side, and in another bowl, you want to add in 1 pound of meat of your choice. Here I am using ground chicken. Also add half a cup of carrots, 1½ cup of cabbage, 1/4 cup of cilantro, 1/4 cup of green onions, 1 tablespoon chicken bouillon powder, that is optional, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 egg white. We are going to use the egg yolk for later. And then you want to add in your softened noodles and mix well. Check your local Asian grocery store for wrappers. This is the brand of egg roll wrappers that I like to use. The wrappers are very thin, so be very careful when you separate the wrappers. You want to place an egg roll wrapper on a flat plate and make sure that the wrapper is at an angle where one of the corners is pointing towards you. Then place 2 tablespoons of the egg roll mixture right below the middle of the egg roll wrapper. Take the corner closest to you and you want to wrap it over the egg roll mixture. Once you have rolled it halfway, you want to tuck the sides in and then continue to roll it. Then you're going to use the egg yolk as a paste to seal the end of the egg roll. Repeat this process until you are all done. Make sure that your oil reaches about 350 degrees to 375 degrees. Carefully place the egg rolls in the pot. Make sure that you do not overcrowd your pot. If you do put a lot of egg rolls in there, it is going to lower the heat, which will take longer to fry. There are a few factors to take in when you are cooking your egg rolls. It depends on the size of your egg rolls, how big your pot is, and how many egg rolls you're putting in the pot. So what you want to look for is that golden brown color. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.